In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to a PDF file using Google Drive. This process is straightforward and very convenient when you need to organize your images into PDF documents. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open Google Drive and select the image you want to convert into a PDF. Google Drive is a handy platform that stores all your files securely, allowing you to access them from anywhere. Once you've located your image, click on it to select. You're one step closer to creating your PDF. Next, look for the three dots icon, which typically represents additional options or a menu. Click on these three dots. This expands a menu of actions you can take with your selected file. Among these options, you'll find one to open the image in Google Docs. Select it. Google Docs is the tool we'll use to convert the image into a PDF file. After opening Google Docs, you might want to insert the image manually if it's not automatically added. To do this, select Insert from the top menu, navigate to Image, and choose Drive to insert your image directly from Google Drive. This would be particularly helpful if you're starting in Google Docs and need to add multiple images from your collection. With your image now inserted into the Google Docs file, the next step is to prepare for conversion. Click on File in the top left corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu that appears, hover over the Download option. A secondary menu will appear from which you should choose PDF Document. Clicking PDF Document begins the download process, converting your Google Docs file into a PDF file. The image you selected is now part of a freshly created PDF file stored on your device. This is an efficient way to transform images into PDF format, especially if you're compiling more than one image into a single document. Congratulations, you've successfully converted your image into a PDF file using Google Drive and Google Docs. This PDF conversion method is particularly useful when you need to share or print images in a uniform format that's easy to view on any device. Whether you're preparing a presentation, archiving documents, or simply tidying up your file formats, knowing how to perform this conversion is invaluable. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful and that you're now more confident in using Google Drive and Google Docs for your PDF conversion needs. Be sure to explore other similar features and tools offered by Google to enhance your workflow and productivity even further. If this content was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech